Hello, young adventurers. Are you ready for a fun journey to the heart of the countryside? Tonight, we invite you to join us on a magical farm adventure as we meet the wonderful animals that live on the farm. Let's embark on this journey together and get to know our farm friends better. As the sun sets behind the rolling hills, it's time for the animals on the farm to get ready for bed. Let's meet our farm friends and wish them a good night. Hello, Mr. Donkey, the gentle and hard-working friend. You've spent your day carrying loads and helping out on the farm. You worked hard and helped the farmer with many chores. Now it's time to find a cozy spot in the barn and rest your tired legs. Close your eyes and dream of sunny days and green fields. Good night, Donkey. Good night. Welcome, dog, the loyal guardian of the farm. You've watched over the farm all day, keeping everyone safe. You ran across the fields, herded the sheep, and played with the children. Now, curl up in your warm bed near the farmhouse door. Dream of chasing butterflies and running in the fields, feeling the wind in your fur. Good night, dog. Good night. And here comes Miss Chick, the lively and curious little explorer. You've spent the day pecking at grains and exploring the yard. You found little bugs and played with your fellow chicks. Now it's time to snuggle under your warm feathers with your brothers and sisters. Dream of sunny mornings and endless fields of grain. Good night, Chick. Good night. Let's not forget Mr. Sheep, the fluffy and peaceful grazer. You've been nibbling on fresh grass all day. You wandered the fields and enjoyed the cool breeze. Now, find a soft spot in the meadow to lie down and dream of green pastures and soft clover. Your woolly coat will keep you warm and cozy. Good night, sheep. Good night. Next, we see Mrs. Cow, the gentle giant of the fields. After a day of grazing and providing fresh milk, you slowly make your way back to the barn. You chewed on sweet grass and rested under the shade of the big oak tree. Find a quiet place to rest your large body and dream of sunny meadows and fresh grass. Good night, cow. Good night. Hello, Mr. Rabbit, the swift and playful hopper. You've spent your day bouncing through the fields and nibbling on fresh greens. You played hide and seek with your friends and hopped through the tall grass. Now, burrow into your cozy nest and dream of fun adventures and magical forests. Good night, Rabbit. Good night. And here comes Miss Mouse, the tiny and clever forager. You've been busy finding little treasures and bits of food. You scurried around the farm, exploring every nook and cranny. Now, find a snug nook in the hay to rest your tiny body. Dream of secret hideaways and hidden treasures, where you can explore and discover all night long. Good night, Mouse. Good night. Greetings, Cat, the graceful and mysterious prowler. You've wandered the farm, chasing shadows and climbing trees. You spent the day sneaking through the tall grass and basking in the warm sun. Now, find a soft place to curl up. Purr yourself to sleep as the stars twinkle above, dreaming of moonlit hunts and warm sunbeams. Good night, Cat. Good night. Finally, we see Mr. Horse, the strong and majestic friend. You've galloped through the fields all day. You felt the wind in your mane and the earth beneath your hooves. Now, find a quiet stall in the stable to relax. Let your dreams take you to places where you can run forever, your mane flowing in the wind. Good night, horse. Good night. As all our farmyard friends settle down for the night, remember to close your eyes. Let your imagination wander and dream of the wonderful adventures you've shared with these charming creatures. Feel the warmth of the barn and the peace of the countryside as you drift off to sleep. Good night, little farm explorer. Good night, farm.